Okay, so I just updated my Panasonic S5IIX full frame camera with the latest firmware update, firmware 2.4 at the time of this video. And I'm just testing this out because Panasonic is constantly adding more and more improvements. And this particular update is primarily for the apps themselves. There's the Lumix Flow and Lumix Lab app. With the Flow app, you now get a really great feature where you're now able to basically monitor what's on your camera. So you basically have a monitor that you could use from your phone or as a tablet, but you could also now monitor on multiple screens at the same time. I think this is going to be huge for a lot of people, especially for professionals out there. And then for the Lumix Lab app, you now get this newer feature called Magic LUTs, and so that's one of the things that Panasonic has really been pushing is their LUT support with their Lumix Lab app. So yet more improvements there. And then for the actual camera itself, some of the major things that they provided are better support for DJI gimbals, and this is a small but it becomes a big thing, but much faster startup time. So before it took like 45 seconds for my camera to boot up from a cold boot, but now it takes about 2 seconds. And so something like that might not seem big, but whenever you're using this camera every single day, those things matter. And there's many other updates with this, but that just highlights some of the many things that Panasonic continually tries to do with their cameras, is to provide you really meaningful, valuable updates through firmware for free that in a lot of cases make you feel like you have a brand new camera with the existing one that you have. And I am very happy about that. And the autofocus, I think, continually gets better on this, and it just makes me really love the Panasonic brand even more and more, because I kind of feel like out of all the major camera brands, they're the one that seems to listen, and I would say care the most about their customers by providing them more value for things that they've already invested in. And so for me, I'm going to be a lifelong Panasonic user as long as they keep treating their customers well and giving them really great features with their firmware updates. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments there below, and I'll see you on another episode.